Greetings, my friends. Welcome in.
Hi guys, it's your girl Fluffy Diva here, and today I just want to share a little update with you guys. I noticed that when people are watching the videos or watching the live stream and they've got a Nightbot message on any vertical stream, they don't know how to get the link. Also, the same applies for when you are going to get the ads on someone that monetized the channel. So what you need to do, I'm gonna find a live stream, a vertical monetized live stream now, and see if it can show you how you get the ads on the screen. So once you go in to a live stream, I'm going into my daughter's stream right now. She's live. That's Simmer Ali World. Once you go in on the live stream, what you need to do is like the video. I've liked the video. Then you come down to the button that says you right here, that you button. It takes you to your home page. Once it takes you to your home page, you're going to search for the one that says liked videos. So I've liked my daughter's video. I'm on my own page, but I'm going to click the one that I liked. From then, this video will be running, and that will be my daughter's video. This is how you get the ads on a vertical live stream, and it is how you get the ads on any Nightbot that you have. This is how you get the link for Nightbot. So guys, once again, I'm going to show you how to get the link for Nightbot on any vertical stream, and I'm going to show you how to get the ads on the vertical live stream, because most of us are using YouTube. Most people don't go to the normal StreamYard like some people. Like myself, I prefer to use this vertical way. So when I go to vertical live stream, all I need to do is go on any live stream that's vertical, open it, tap, like the video. Then I go down to the button that says you. That's your profile picture here, you. Once you click your profile picture, it's taking you home. So when you go into the video, then this one will take you home. Click on the home button, and then you will find the stream that you've just liked right there. So you like it, and the ads will start running automatically. Once a person has set ads on the screen, the ads will run automatically. Also, if you have a Nightbot, the link will drop in here, and the link will be clickable from doing this one. All right, thank you so much for joining me, your girl Fluffy Diva at Fluffy Diva TV. Guys, anything new I get, I will share with you, but that's how you do it. So thank you so much for joining. Guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, share and comment on this video, so that everyone on YouTube can know what is happening and how to do this one on a vertical live stream. So if I'm on a vertical live stream, I'm expecting that when you come into my house, you tap on my face, you like my video. Once you like my video, I'm expecting you to go to the you button, your profile picture. Once you go to your profile picture, then you can like and watch from there. You can get all clickable links there, okay? So all links will be clickable there. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, connecting, hyping and sharing the video. One love and peace out.
Love you, love me diva. Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Before we begin, just sit back and relax. Diva got your back. This one's on me, Fluffy Diva TV.